Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the headlamp on a GMC Acadia, Chevrolet Traverse, or a Buick Enclave. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn the steering wheel so that you can gain access to these bolts these screws right here. To do the passenger side, you want to turn the steering wheel to the left. To do the driver's side, you want to turn it to the right. Okay, so what you do is you take the screws here loose, and then you can pull it back and you can stick your hand in here and get to this cover for the headlamp right here. The reason I went ahead and took the wheel and the fender liner out is because I was having comments on my other video or getting messages saying that they couldn't really understand what they were looking at when I was doing the video, because I had the camera at an angle. So I figured I would take this one loose so you could look at my other video, see how to do it. I'll put that in the description below, and you could actually see what you're doing on this video. Okay, so what we have here is the bulb cover. What we're going to do is we're going to twist that to the left, slide it out. That's going to give us access to the bulb itself. We're going to take the bulb, turn it, slide it out, and disconnect it. You want to look at the terminals right here to make sure they're not burnt. Sometimes they will burn up in here and you'll have to replace this little piece of harness. So just make sure they're not burnt, and if they are, replace that small piece of harness. Now you won't be looking at it like this because you will have the wheel on it and the fender liner in there. So you'll be looking through this corner to see it. So make sure you take a light and aim up there at it. Take the new bulb, and I always wear gloves when I install bulbs. They say you're not supposed to touch them. I don't know the truth behind that, but I'm going to follow it anyway. It's only a pair of gloves, it don't hurt anything. Go ahead and stick the bulb in. One of the spots is actually bigger for the bulb, and if you look at it on here, the bulb goes in an angle towards the outside, and then twists down, just like that. Let's go ahead and install the cover. If you look on the inside of your light, you have a big spot, and right here is your larger cutout. So we're going to go ahead and install it like that, and twist it tight. And you're done. Like I said, you'll be coming at a different angle. You can check out my other video to see the angle on how to do this. I will put it in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.